How to fix slow WhatsApp on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix slow WhatsApp on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just click WhatsApp and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just just go back and restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to your phone cleaner, this one here, and now just wait, click this one here, clean up, wait, where is it? Clean up, click on it, yes, and now just wait for this one here, junk files, and click clean up, and that's it. Now just to go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.